All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube. Today, I got a super affordable lifted truck. This truck back in the day, just probably suspension work, you know, lift, wheels, tires, all that good stuff, probably was close every bit of the 10 grand number. We're going to sell this truck for around 17 grand. All right, it's a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab full-wheel drive. It is also an LTZ, so this is a very decked out 2008. Body's in really good shape. It's on Fox coilovers. It's got a set of fuel wheels. You have some light surface rust you can see on the shock itself or on the spring. You can also see it on the frame. The body's really good. No rust on the rocker panels. You know, even this generation developed rust on the rocker panels, but it's not uncommon to see that type of discoloration on a 2008. Obviously, like this coating, the factory rubber coating comes off, and then it's raw steel. So I'm pretty cognizant of rust. I don't like selling rusty trucks. In my opinion, for sure, on a 2008, I'd easily buy this. I'd easily resell it. I'd easily drive the shit out of it. There is no, like, you know, like bolt distortion. Like, look at the rear. Like the bolts, see the, like you have light discoloration, but nothing like PA. This is not like a PA rust truck, nothing like that. You know, still easily, you know, service, maintain. You know, bolts, nuts, all that type of stuff are very, you know, accessible. Nothing's all rusty where it's going to break off. So you just have some light surface on the frame of the truck. Dual exhaust. This is an LTZ, so she's decked out in leather. We'll give you a shot of the interior. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with me on the tube. Come on now. Got a little kicker, little 10-inch kicker sub. You know, all your young whippersnappers, you like that, that'll tick your mom off. So leather interior, heated seats. We'll do some button overlays to tighten that up a little bit. It does have a couple cracks on the dash in the famous spot over the driver's side, as well as the airbag right there. Headliner's pretty clean. Leather's still in really good shape. It's got a black set of WeatherTech floor mats. Again, the body, I didn't really see any rust. Front bumper just has some regular, you know, routine rock chips. I mean, the truck's black, you know, it's gonna show some stuff here and there, but this truck is still in great shape for a 2008, no question. Anyway, $16,900 is a price. And like I said, you know, if you bought all this suspension new and I built this truck for you today, I mean, you're probably pushing into the 10 to 12 grand number with Fox coilovers. So coilovers still work great. No issues with the coilovers at all. Steering wheel looks pretty good. It is a center console truck, which these are a little bit more sought after with the center consoles. Again, leather's in really good shape. Again, if you guys have questions about this truck, drop a comment. I'd be more than happy to answer it for you. If you guys, you know, if you need further information, definitely give us a call direct here at the shop, 843-697-7501. You can find us right here, Ladson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. We are a specially lifted truck dealership, full service for full parts. Any aftermarket upgrades we can take care of for you here right at the shop. Just look for that logo, Deluxe Motorsports. Till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.